favorite brand of clothes is, ano, brand of clothes is, ano nga ba yun? Kalimutan ko yun. Forever. Forever 21 and ayun. Yan sa mga okay-okay. Okay-okay lang yung damit ko, guys. Melanie, my clothes is all from okay-okay only. It's branded. All my clothes are from okay-okay. Puma is the best. Yeah, Puma. My clothes, guys, are from okay-okay. Hi, I'm here to tell you that my birthday is tomorrow. Wow! Hi, Skyline Kitty Official. Really? Your birthday tomorrow? Wow! Okay, happy birthday in advance. Skyline Kitty Official. Happy birthday in advance to you. Hi, Opo. Kamusta ka? I am good. Maraming pinagdadaanan ko sa channel ko. May isang channel ako na na-restrict 3 beses, ayun, nawala. Kaya napagod, sarap isigawin dito. Maintindihan na sa, ano na yon 96K na yon. O talaga? Kunti ka naman, ano, nabawa ng bigla. Na-restrict tapos, nabura. Nabura na. Hi, Fluggy. It's me. I'm back. It's me, Fluggy. Fluggy. Sorry, I haven't been watching your lives. I've been going through some stuff. Oh, it's okay, Fluggy. It's okay. Oh, thank you so much for being here again, Fluggy. It's okay. My birthday is February 26. Oh, wow. Ganda, nakatambay computer ko ha. Oh, thank you, Ma'am Lorena. Thank you so much. Nakapag-upload ako ng video, Gera at yung bawal kasi yun. Oy, may mga bawal kasi yun. Bayan ko na may mga ano ba, may mga madugong ano, pangyayari. May mga harassment. Ganyan. Bawal yun. Kaya pala. My birthday is September 6. Oh wow, September 6. Bayan ko. Pero okay lang na. Ah, really? September 6 is your birthday? September 6. Pero okay lang, nabura channel ko. Basta yung pagmamahal ay hindi nabura. Charot. Charot. Oh, may chumacharot ka rin ha. When is your birthday? My birthday, guys, is May 31. May 31. This coming May 31. May 31. 31. 31. Mahilig ka rin sa charot, no? Ako rin ganyan. Charot. Char, ganyan. Mahilig. I just close. I speak just a tiny bit of Japanese. Oh, really? Wow. Really? Sa akin, September 5. Oh, may September 6. September 6. Sino ba yan kanina? Tapos ikaw, September 5. Oh, sunura lang pala kayo ng isang viewers. September 6 daw siya. Ikaw, September 5. Ang puso ko. Minsan maglo-loading ba cellphone mo? Minsan maglo-loading. Oo. Ngayon, naka-stop up. Naka-stop up ang tawag doon. Wala siyang comment na lumalabas. Tapos yung kanina pa yan yung like at saka yung viewers. Kanina pa ganyan. Walang nagbabago. Walang nangyari sa cellphone. Ngayon lang yan nangyari ng ganyan. Ngayon lang nangyari yung ganyan.